We're back at Gourmondo, where fine dining and lunchtime go hand in hand. Founder and CEO Alyssa Leinonen is proud to say the company takes no shortcuts when it comes to its gourmet lunches.
Everything's made from scratch. So you've got all the stocks, all the sauces, everything is made in-house.
Another reason for Gourmondo's success is due to its efficient and talented staff.
These guys are fantastic. I mean, really, they're bionic. It's
Yes.
incredible and meticulous and really, really consistent. And I think that's really been, a big part of our success is just the depth and the talent in our teams.
Not to mention Gourmondo's consistent use of fresh, local ingredients.
Well made and it's well sourced. I mean, I always really like it and I'd 100% recommend it.
When you're putting out a menu that has simple ingredients, they have to be spectacular. They have to be fresh, and they have to be great.
So what am I going to be making today?
So today you'll be working with Chef Tom Black,
Okay.
who's fantastic, and he's going to be making a carrot soup.
You're gonna show us how to do something wonderful with some Washington grown carrots?
Yes, we're gonna make some caramelized carrot soup. It's something we have on our menu at our cafes, and it's delicious. It's super easy to make.
Sounds delicious.
Very few ingredients. Just have to pay a little attention to how you put them together and add a little love. That's all it requires.
These are amazing looking.
These are. We get wonderful carrots here, and they come out of the Horse Heaven Hills. So they don't have to travel far, and they are a beautiful product day in and day out.
First, we have to chop our carrots into even slices.
You do it so fast.
Well, again,
I know.
it's not my first
What
carrot.
you do. This ain't my first rodeo.
This definitely was not Tom's first carrot, so I asked him to give me a quick chopping lesson.
Instead of always trying to push down, slice through.
There we go.
After our carrots are chopped and tossed with a little olive oil and salt and pepper, they're ready to go in the oven for a good roasting.
Hey, these look good.
So yes, here are the carrots nice caramelized. We're gonna get the rest of the veg going now in the cooktop here. A little bit of olive oil, and then we'll start to saute the celery and the onions.
While the veggies are being sautéed, I talked to Tom about the catering side of Gourmondo.
Gourmondo does fine dining catering. So tell me about that.
We do
Box
actually.
lunches, fine dining catering.
Yes, it's
you know what I mean?
Very diverse.
Yeah.
But fine dining is where the chefs really get to play with food,
get to-
shrink things down, slow things down, and really compose dishes that make a lot of sense, are like hyper seasonal and hyper local, which is a blast. It actually feeds the soul of the chefs, you know, who really love to play with interesting ingredients.
Absolutely.
And really push the limits of some of the stuff we do. These are now getting nice and soft, and I'm
Okay.
gonna go ahead and add our carrots to this right now. So right now we're just looking at the onions and the celery and the garlic and the ginger and the carrots, and that's all we got going on.
Simple.
That's all you need.
Now we add some water and let those veggies simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until they're soft. Then it's time to put them evenly in a blender and get ready to puree. Tom adds a little cream to achieve that perfect soupy consistency. Add some salt and pepper for seasoning, and now it's time to ladle up. Top it off with some chives and a drizzle of honey, and our caramelized carrot soup is looking beautiful.
Almost too pretty to eat. That is so delicious.
So Washington-y.
And carroty.
And carroty, yes.
To get the recipe for Gourmondo's caramelized carrot soup, head over to wagrown.com.